Why run everything when Ansible can run exactly what you need?
Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub. In this video, we're going to understand Ansible tags in a very simple and practical way. Tags help us run only the required portions of a playbook instead of executing everything every time. We'll understand the concept, commands, special tags, practical use cases, and finally, some important interview points. First, let us understand why we need tags. Imagine one playbook containing installation, configuration, deployment, and validation tasks. Normally, running the playbook executes the complete workflow. But what if I only want to deploy the application? Creating separate, duplicate playbooks is difficult to maintain. This is exactly the problem Ansible tags solve. Ansible tags are simply labels that we attach to tasks or plays. Think of a tag as a name that identifies a particular group of automation steps. Once tasks are tagged, we can selectively run or skip them. So instead of maintaining multiple playbooks, one well-designed playbook can support several execution paths. Here is the key difference. Without tags, Ansible normally follows the complete playbook flow: install, configure, deploy, and validate. With tags, we can directly select only the section we need. For example, during a deployment, we can execute only the deploy-related tasks. This gives us much more flexibility and faster execution. Now let us see how a tag is added. Here we have a simple task that installs Nginx. Under the task, we use the tags keyword and assign the label install. That's it. This task now belongs to the install group. Later, when we execute the install tag, Ansible knows that this particular task should be selected. A single task can also belong to more than one logical group. For example, the same task may have both install and packages tags. This gives us flexible routing. We could execute it as part of an installation workflow or as part of a broader package management workflow. Use multiple tags only when the grouping has a clear purpose. To run only selected tasks, use the --tags option. In this example, we run the playbook with the configure tag. Ansible filters the playbook and executes only tasks matching configure, while the other tagged sections are not selected. Remember this simple rule: --tags means run the matching tasks. Sometimes we want the opposite behavior. We want the playbook to run normally except for one particular group of tasks. That is where --skip tags is useful. Here we skip the install tag. Configuration, deployment, and validation can still run. So remember, tags selects what to run, while skip tags identifies what not to run. Here is a practical playbook structure. We have 4 logical stages: install, configure, deploy, and validate. Each task receives a corresponding tag. This makes the playbook easier to operate because we can execute the complete workflow or target only one stage when required. This type of organization is especially useful in deployment automation. Ansible also provides special tags. The first one is always. A task tagged with always normally executes even when other tags are selected. This is useful for operations that should generally happen every time, such as gathering required information, performing prerequisite validation, or preparing mandatory environment settings. The second special tag is never, which behaves almost like an opt-in switch. Tasks tagged with never normally do not execute unless they are specifically requested. This is useful for maintenance operations, cleanup tasks, or rare administrative actions that we do not want to run during a normal playbook execution. Let us connect this concept to a real deployment scenario. Suppose the target server already has all required software installed. During a routine code deployment, repeating the installation step wastes time. We can use skip tags install and execute only configuration, deployment, and validation. This is a simple example of how tags make CI/CD pipelines more efficient.
Tags are powerful, but they should be designed carefully. Use clear functional names such as install, configure, deploy, and validate. Keep naming consistent across the project. Most importantly, make sure tagged execution is safe when run independently. Avoid meaningless tag names and avoid adding too many overlapping tags to the same task. There are a few common mistakes to avoid. Do not attach too many tags to every task because execution becomes difficult to understand. Avoid inconsistent naming across playbooks. Be careful when one tag task secretly depends on a previous task that may have been skipped. And remember that tags should not be used to compensate for poor playbook design. For larger, reusable structures, Ansible roles may be more appropriate. Let us quickly revise. Ansible tags provide selective execution inside a playbook. Use -- tags when you want to run selected tasks, and -- skip tags when you want to exclude selected tasks. The always tag normally runs, while never normally stays skipped unless requested. For interviews, remember the core benefit. Tags give us execution flexibility without maintaining multiple duplicate playbooks. If this video was useful, subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for more practical DevOps and cloud tutorials.
11. Run only what you need, automate smarter, and keep learning with Naveen Tech Hub.